find out if the Wi-Fi is saved on the phone. What's up guys? All good, Leonardo Paiva back with another video. Today with another quick video, you will learn how to see your saved password on the phone without using any program for that. Before I invite you to subscribe to the channel here, I make various tutorials always to make it easier for you. Well then guys, the procedure is very simple. Okay, let's go here first in settings. Remember that to see the save password on the phone you have to be connected. Okay, in this video here we are not going to find out the Wi-Fi password that a certain router is okay. It's just to see the saved password on the phone. Let's go here in settings. Let's click here on Wi-Fi and we'll click here on the option tab to share the password. You'll click and the QR code of the password will already appear, and on some devices the password will already appear below the QR code. Leo, only such a QR code is not showing the password. What can I do? A tip I give is to take a screenshot of this screen. They're taking a screenshot of the screen you're going to open Google Lens. It's straightforward. If you don't have Google Lens here as a shortcut, you open Google Assistant. Don't touch here on Google Assistant. Click to appear here Google Lens and choose the screenshot you took. It will automatically recognize the QR code, and here below, look at it guys, the password of your Wi-Fi will already appear. That's it. Video very quick. If you had any doubts, put it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll be here. A big hug. If it's thanks.